Hello everyone, proceed with this hairstyling idea. Take small portion from one side, use a rubber band and then bind it together. From another side also you have to take small portion like this and then you can bind them together, make a braid like this and then you can tie them together. Wonderful. Now let's proceed with this style. Take a small portion and then bind it. Then take another portion, bind it again like this. Then take it out from the first and then you can use a clip. Beautiful. Let's make a pony. Now you have to bind it like this. Then make a bun and then bind it like this. Wow, beautiful bun is ready. It won't take much time. In just few minutes you are ready to rock the party. Now let's see another style. Like here I'm going to show you another way of making bun. Like this you have to tie your hair and this is done. And then you can make another bun in this way. Bind them together. Beautiful.